Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an honest overview of Vade Secure, a powerful email security platform designed to protect businesses from phishing, malware, and spam. Some of the biggest threats facing email users today. Features and benefits. First up, Vade Secure is widely recognized for its AI-powered email security. Using machine learning, it detects and blocks harmful emails in real time, reducing the risk of cyber threats before they even reach your inbox. Its smart filters are built to recognize phishing emails and even zero-day threats, making it particularly valuable for business security. Vade Secure also offers customizable filtering options. Whether you need high-level spam filtering, malware detection, or a tailored security profile, this platform has flexible options that businesses can adjust to meet their specific needs. It's also a great option for small to medium-sized businesses looking to scale security without adding extra infrastructure, as it's cloud-based and integrates seamlessly with most email services. How it works: the platform works continuously to analyze email patterns, detect anomalies, and stay ahead of the latest phishing strategies. Users can also monitor their security logs, review flagged messages, and ensure that harmful content doesn't slip through. Plus, Vade Secure integrates smoothly with both Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace, adding layers of security without disrupting workflow. Downsides and costs: while Vade Secure is packed with advanced features, it's worth noting that it may feel technical for smaller teams without an in-house IT specialist. However, Vade Secure does provide an online dashboard that simplifies most tasks for users. On pricing, Vade Secure has a tiered subscription model, so costs vary based on the level of protection and the size of your organization. Although it can be slightly pricey for small startups, its effectiveness in filtering threats can potentially save costs in the long run by reducing the risks of cyber attacks. Comparing with Clean Email: for those looking at various email management tools, Clean Email is an excellent option for more personal email management. If you want a tool that can help you declutter and organize your inbox, Clean Email is highly effective. You can learn more by following the link in the description below to experience the best email manager for an organized inbox. Call to action: so, if you're seeking a robust email security solution for your business, Vade Secure offers substantial protection through its AI and customizable settings. It's a solid choice for companies that prioritize cybersecurity, providing peace of mind when it comes to email threats. If this review helped you, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips.